sana. Teka ha. A pleasant evening to you, me, all, we, and they. Tonight I am birthday to you and I'm proud of me. I invitation you all to eat our house. Because someday I will eat your house. I will buy 7 girls and 3 boys to eat you all. And I will ask my father to cook my mother. I'm sure you will come because I'm birthday to you. Thank you.
Yay! Palakpakan naman! Mompo to!